If you are a fan of rich and chocolatey desserts, then you'll love these healthy gluten-free brownies. Decadent, delicious, and mood-boosting thanks to amazing nutrients, each bite feels like a slice of heaven. Today we have David, Claudia's teenage son, as our kitchen tester. He doesn't like when his mom sneaks spinach in desserts. These brownies have spinach. Do you think he will like them? Stay tuned to find out. We start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and grease a round oven-proof pan with your favorite oil. I like to use avocado or coconut oil because they are rich in healthy fats. Next, we add eggs, nut butter, coconut flour, coconut sugar, cocoa powder, fresh baby spinach leaves, vanilla extract, and sea salt to a high-powered blender. You can use your favorite nut butter. I usually use almond butter because it's rich in magnesium, which supports serotonin production. Almond butter also has healthy fats and protein, helping optimize brain function and blood sugar levels, which in turn influences mood positively. The next step is to blend everything until smooth and creamy. Were you surprised to see spinach in these brownies? One of my favorite things is to add brain-boosting nutrients in all my desserts so they counterbalance the sugar a bit. Spinach is another ingredient beneficial for mood due to its rich nutrient content. Magnesium supports neurotransmitter function and serotonin production. Folate, an essential B vitamin, helps with mood regulation. Antioxidants and iron contribute to overall brain health and energy levels. Popeye was right to love it. Okay, now let's pour the batter into the grease pan and fold in chocolate chips. When it comes to chocolate chips, you can use your favorite ones. I used milk chocolate chips and the brownies turned out sweet. But if you want the brownies to be darker, use semi-sweet or dark chocolate chips. The next step is to fold in the pistachios. Did you know that pistachios are rich in vitamin B6, healthy fats, protein, and fiber? They boost the mood by helping the production of serotonin and by keeping elevated energy levels. Pistachios are amazing. And the final step before baking is to top the brownies with more pistachios and some raspberries. These little berries are mood boosting through their antioxidants such as vitamin C and quercetin, which help fight oxidative stress and inflammation. And the fiber in raspberries supports gut health, which in turn has a positive effect on the mood. Let's now bake the brownies for around 35 minutes until inserting and removing a toothpick shows a very thin layer of batter on it. Make sure not to overbake the brownies so they don't become crumbly or hard. Allow them to cool off for at least 30 minutes before removing from the pan. Slice carefully into triangles and store the brownies in the fridge in an airtight container. Now let's see if David liked the brownie recipe. I'm bracing myself for the moment of truth. And there it is! The look of surprise and delight as the rich brownie with a spinach twist wins over the toughest critic. Ah, the joy of discovering new flavors, one healthy brownie at a time. Now what can we make next that will measure up to these delicious brownies? A blueberry lemon cake, of course. This flavorful cake has the perfect balance between zesty lemon and a burst of sweet blueberries in every moist and tender slice.